Hello and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I'm David Hoffman and we're going to do a walkthrough of our 2019 Sea Ray 19 SPX. As you can see, this boat is a white hull, and on the back for power we have the Mercury 150. We have the gray sea deck on the swim platform and the walkthrough coming into the cockpit area. A great feature on this boat is the storage. Right here, if we lift this up, we have abundant storage for lines, fenders, life jackets. When we step forward, underneath this seat, we have a built-in cooler. More storage in the floor for skis, jackets, anything you need to store away. Nice feature, we do have the two captain's chairs for our seats. At the helm, we have a nice Simrad 5-inch screen with your GPS, depth finder, and two analog gauges there. We have the Fusion stereo system. We have storage on this port side. And as we move forward, we have storage underneath the bow seats, and we have a nice blue canopy top. So this is our 19 SPX 2019 by Sea Ray. If you'd like to see this or any other boat, please give us a call.